Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. Today, I'm introducing the Financial Reserve and Regulation Act 2025. The purpose of this act is to nationalize the South African Reserve Bank and regulate all financial institutions in South Africa, their arrangements and functions, make provisions relating to the registration of government stocks, natural critical resources and bonds by removing private shareholders' control from the economy of South Africa. The South African Reserve Bank is a privately owned and has had a private shareholders since its establishment in 1921. Currently, there are over 800 private foreign shareholders. This means that our economy, finances, and livelihoods is in the hands of those private foreign shareholders. They can manipulate rand, engineer poverty, and not be held accountable. Currently, local and international banks colluded to rig the rand-dollar exchange rate with impunity. This is what happens when powerful foreign banks can influence the value of our rand, raise the cost of living for our people, and then claim that our laws do not apply to them. South Africa is a sovereign state, and this Financial Reserve Bank and Regulation Act 2025 is enacted in response to financial panics such as rand manipulation and the nationalizing of SA Reserve Bank to establish a system to provide financial stability, transparency, reformations, and economic growth by empowering the government to regulate banks and implement monetary policy, which includes managing the nation's money supply and interest rates. The Act will create a decentralized structure within 9 provinces, with each province having its financial reserve system. And the Board of Governors to oversee the system. This act will grant the National Bank, formerly known as the Reserve Bank, the authority to regulate, supervise banks, and to conduct monetary policy through tools like open market operations. And these requirements. This will allow the government to influence the interest rates, take informed decisions regarding national treasury, finances, and budget allocations, the control of the economy and prices, which will result in growth. The Board of Governors is responsible for setting key policies. Its 9 members are appointed by the President. Their duties involves managing interest rates, addressing potential risks, ensuring regulatory and compliance by private banks, and promoting consumer protection. The Financial Reserve and Regulation Act 2025 comes into effect today, 14 November 2025. The South African Reserve Bank is now the National Bank of South Africa. Its shareholders are the people of South Africa, and it will operate in 9 provinces of South Africa, overseen by 9 Board of Governors. South Africa is a sovereign state. We are more than capable to manage our national economy and assets. We don't need foreign entities with their bully tactics of having no respect for our national interests, our laws, and our sovereignty. Thank you.